everyone, Jared with Big Pine Sports, located in Fairview, Utah. You're looking at a 2018 Yamaha Wolverine-X4. I wanted to show you a little bit about the machine and some accessories that we put on this one. As you can see, we've done the full cab kit on it. This cab kit is amazing. Very tight seal. It's going to keep all the elements out. As you can tell, it's raining right now, almost turning to snow here in central Utah. We're very excited for the snow to fall. It's a long time coming. But I'm going to do a little walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. We have installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on the machine. I'm going to do a separate video to teach you about the Street Legal kit from Ryco. We've also installed the Yamaha front bumper and lighting package. It also has the Warren winch and the Yamaha light bar, very cool light bar. With the cab kit, we also did the mirrors from Assault that are with Yamaha. All of the doors are lockable, so you can leave the machine up on the mountain or wherever you're at and know that your contents are going to be secure. The front windshield is glass, the rear windshield is glass as well. It's also lockable. Once you open the rear window, it will pivot up on some arms to keep it up out of the way. We've also included the spare tire mount here. Simply pull that red pin and it'll pivot out of the way, allowing you to open the tailgate to access the items that you have in the back. I'm going to hop inside the cab now. From the inside, with the windshield wiper kit on the glass windshield, it's very cool. You've got your windshield wiper fluid as well as two different modes on the wiper. I'm going to go ahead and activate slow speed now. You can see that the windshield wiper gets most of the windshield area. There's a teeny bit up here and a little bit in each corner that you're not going to be able to quite get with the windshield wiper. You do have a second speed mode as well. It's super fast if the rain or snow is coming down pretty heavy. The wiper itself is pretty quiet, so we're very happy and pleased with the windshield wiper setup. And it's very clean. It's also illuminated for nighttime use. Also on this vehicle, and it's running right now, is the heater and defrost kit. Simply turn it to low down here, off or high. Right now I've got it on high. You can hear the fan running, but it's not too loud. You've got a couple heat vents here. You can simply shut those or rotate those however you'd like. Also up on the front is your defrost kit. I highly recommend, if you're going to be doing the full glass windshield, to install the heater kit. When I went and got in this machine this morning, this was all fogged over, and without having that heater to be able to get rid of the fog on there and get the windshield defrosted, and have been kind of a pain. So I'd highly recommend upgrading and putting in the heater kit when you do it as well at that time. This is how you activate the Ryco turn signal kit. Again, I'll be doing a separate video to show you a little bit more about that kit. It'll be posting up today as well. Very nice, very well fit cab kit. Out of 10, I would give it a 9.5. The only 0.5 about it is a little bit difficult to install the first time. The second go around is going to be a lot easier. The windows actually slide open and shut. Just simply unhook this and it'll slide back, allowing the driver, passenger, as well as the passengers in the rear to have some air or whatever for outside. The back is going to open the same way. It's also keyed, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the back. From inside the four-seater here, if you've not been in one, I'm 6'1", about 175 pounds. I do have plenty of knee room here and plenty of room side to side, so it's definitely an amazing vehicle, even for tall guys like myself in the back. These back windows are going to slide open and close the very same way. With the door all the way open, you still have full access to get in and out. It's going to give you plenty of room. Same handle setup on the inside. Door's going to open and close the same way. Again, you're looking at a 2018 Yamaha WolverineX4. This will, by far, be our #1 selling side-by-side for a couple of reasons. Reason number one, and the most important reason, I think, is they've handled some of the complaints that we've had from every manufacturer out there. What is that? Noise. They've done an amazing job keeping this vehicle very low noise. It's got a new 850 twin cylinder in it. It's got tons of power, but it's also super quiet. This machine's got the lowest low range Yamaha's ever put in. The machine I'm building for myself, I'm gonna throw some 30s on it, go do some rock crawling and have a blast with it. So we've got a lot of videos that are gonna be posting here shortly. We're super excited about this new machine and all the accessories that are available for it. Yamaha's nailed it with accessories with the machine. Give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. All of these parts and accessories are also available at our sister store, ruthlessmotorsports.com. You can give them a call, 801-737-6400. Until the next video, I'm out.